Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make two appetizers with smoked salmon. One is with cream cheese and crackers and the other one is with cucumbers and avocado. Such an easy appetizer to make. 5 minutes or less, you will have two great appetizers. Let me show you guys how I make it. So here's what we're going to need for our two appetizers. You will need some smoked salmon. I smoked this in our electric smoker and I will link the recipe down below for you guys. A cucumber, lemon or a lime, an avocado, some black crushed pepper, everything but the bagel seasoning. These are optional spices. You guys can pick and choose what you like. Some crushed chives, some crushed red pepper flakes, your choice of cream cheese. If you have Gouda, that would work well. I have some whipped and some regular cream cheese. And I'm going to be using these Good Thins little crackers. They're made with rice, multigrain, so they're pretty healthy. So we're going to just cut up some of the salmon here into bite-sized pieces. Okay, so you want to get your avocado. And you want to cut that in half. Feels pretty ripe, so this should be good. Perfect. Then you want to pop that baby out. Get rid of any extra little shells there. Next, you want to scoop it out. Avocado is so good, guys. Such a nice healthy fat for you. Then you want to just get that all smushed together. You want to add, and I cut in half a lemon. And you just want it to combine. This is sometimes the tricky-ish part. So it should come out something like that. Set that aside. Let's get rid of the seed here. Okay, I've washed up my cucumber. So I'm gonna try to take the bigger parts and I'm just gonna save the rest. Put that aside for now. So you just wanna cut them to nice sizes, about like that. Aside. All right, so we've got our smoked salmon, some cucumbers, our avocado. So let's do a little bit of this up here. So you're going to grab yourself some avocado. Spread it on the cucumber, some smoked salmon, little bit of the everything bagel seasoning. And you have your first one. Very simple. So a little bit of avocado, a little bit of salmon, oops. Okay, so grab yourself some crackers. I'm just using these good thins. Now you're gonna add some cream cheese to your crackers. Now you're just gonna add on your salmon. Next you wanna grab yourself some crushed black pepper. Some red chili flakes, optional of course. If you guys like it a little spicy, then do it up. A little bit of chives. Guys, check it out. Cucumber avocado with some smoked salmon with some everything bagel seasoning. Then we have some crackers, cream cheese, salmon topped off with some chives, pepper, and some crushed red flakes. Yummy. Give it a try, guys. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below if you'd like to see future videos from me. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and leave a comment down below. Have yourselves all a wonderful day. Stay safe, happy, and healthy, and we'll see each other soon. Bye now.